Hello guys, this is Nadeem from Maths TV. Hope you will like this video. Before starting, I just wanted to invite you to be a part of our YouTube family. You can do this by just clicking the red subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you get notifications for newly released videos. And do not forget to follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook and Instagram. Without wasting your time, let us start. Hello guys, today we'll be going through IGCSE Mathematics Paper 2 Extended 058022 October-November 2017. Question number 1. One day at noon in Mysuru, the temperature was this one 17. At midnight the temperature was 20 degrees Celsius. Work out the temperature at the midnight. 20 degrees Celsius lower than 17. So from 17 till 0 will be 17 degrees drop, and then from 0 to further minus 3 degree. 3 degrees will be minus 3. So answer will be minus 3. Then question number 2, write down this one as ordinary number. So minus 10 raised by minus 3 will be shifting this decimal to the left, because power is minus, so 0.00517. So what we have done, we have shifted this decimal to 3 digits to the left. If it is positive, we will be moving to the right. So answer will be 0.00517. The next question number 3, in the diagram, BL is bisector of angle ABC and MN is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Complete the statement. The shaded region contains, this is the shaded region. This shaded region contains the points inside the triangle ABC that are near to B than A. Near to B than A. This is one condition. And then near to, this will be BC then AB, this one. So near to this line as compared to this one, so near to BC then to AB. So this will be our answer. Then question number 4, A part, 1 and 12 are factors of 12. Write down all the factors of 12. So all the factors of 12 will be 1 and 2, they have already, 1 and 12 they have already given. So remaining will be 2, 3, 4 and 6. So we can write here 2, 3, 4 and 6. Write down the multiples of 9 between 20 and 40. So multiples of 9 will be 9 2s are 18, but it's lesser than 20. So 9 3s are 27, so which is in between them, and then 9 4s are 36. So 36 is also in between these two numbers. So answer will be 27 and 36. Here comes question number 5. Triangle is given, basically diagram is given which is not to scale. In the diagram, AB is a straight line. AB is a straight line. Find the value of X and the value of Y. So this angle and this angle is required. So this is straight line. This one is 120. So remaining will be 180. 180 minus X. 180 minus 120 will be equal to X, and which is equal to X is equal to 60 degree. So this angle will be 60 degree. So X will be 60 degree and Y will be, these two angles are given. So these three angles, interior angles, should add up to 180 degree. So this will be 40. This is 40 degree. This is done. Question number 6, write 55 grams as a percentage of 2.2 kilograms. So this is kilogram, this is grams, we'll have to take care of this. So 55 divided by 2.2, and 2.2 need to be converted into grams, which is multiplied by 1000. So this will be percentage. We have to calculate the percentage of. So multiply by 100 also. We will multiply this by 100, and If we check, this is 55 divided by 2.2 multiply by 1000, and this is equal to this, and multiply by 100, this will be equal to 2.5. So 2.5 will be our answer, like this one. 2.5 will be our answer. Now question number 7, the area of a triangle is this one, and length of its base is provided. Perpendicular height we have to calculate, so 1 by 2 into base into height. This is basically the formula for area of the triangle. So we will be replacing the values. 1 by 2 into area of the triangle is given, and base is basically 33, and height is we have to calculate, and area is given 500. So we'll write 528 is equal to 33 over 2 into height. So height will be equal to 528 multiplied by 2 over 33. We are shifting this to other side. Now this one we can calculate. This will be 528 into 2 divided by 33. This will be equal to 32. So answer will be 32 centimeters. We can write here 32 centimeters already written. Now question number 8. Amar cycles at a speed of 18 km per hour. It takes him 55 minutes to cycle between two villages. Calculate the distance between the two villages. So speed we know is equal to distance over time. So distance will be equal to speed multiplied by time. Speed is given, which is 18 km per hour. 18, not 16. So we will change this one to 18 km per hour, and time is 55 minutes. So 55 we'll have to convert into hours because this is hour. So divided by 60. We'll have to now simplify this. This will be 18 multiplied by 55 and divided by 60 will be equal to 16.5. So 16.5 will be this answer. Question number 9, work out giving your answer in standard form. So this is what we have to, we can write this one 1.2 into 10 raised to the power 40, and then plus 1.2 into 10 raised to the power 41, and if we multiply this, this will be 1.32 into 10 raised to the power 41. So we can just multiply this, and 1.32 into 10 raised to the power 41. This will be our answer. We can write here 1.32 into 10 raised to the power 41. The sides, question number 10, the sides of a triangle are 5.2 centimeter, 6.3 centimeter, and 9.4 centimeter. Each correct to the nearest millimeter. So it's lower bound and upper bound. Calculate the lower bound of the perimeter of the triangle. So lower bound of the perimeter. So we'll write lower bounds. Lower bound of 5.2 will be 5.15. Similarly, lower bound of 9.5 will be 9.35, and 9.4 will be 9.35, and lower bound of 6.3 will be 6.25, and we will be adding these three numbers. We will be getting the lower bound of this 5.15 plus 9.35 plus 6.25. This will be equal to 20.75. So 20.75. This will be the lower bound perimeter of the triangle. Question number 11. Write the recurring decimal 0.48 recurring as a fraction. Show all your working. So we can write x is equal to 0.4848 recurring. We can show like this one, and 100x will be equal to, we'll shift decimal to 2 digits to the right, so it will be 48.4848 recurring, and x we can multiply, we can subtract x will be what, 0.4848 recurring, and if we subtract this one, this will be 99x is equal to 48. This implies x will be equal to 48 over 99. So our answer will be 48 over 99. Hopefully you are getting everything. Now question number 12. Question number 12 saying expand the brackets and simplify. This question is given, we'll have to just multiply. 5 into 3 will be 15. And 5 into n will be plus 5n, and minus n into 3 will be minus 3n, and minus n into n will be n square. Now we can just rearrange square first, minus n square, and n will be plus 2n and plus 15. This will be our answer, minus n square plus 2n plus 15. And then they are writing question number 13. Write 11 by 3 as a mixed number. So mixed number, we can divide this one, like for example 11 divided by 3, 3 3s are 9, so 2, and we can rotate this one, and we will get 3 whole 2 by 3. So answer will be 3 whole 2 by 3. This will be in form of mixed fraction. Without using a calculator, work out 1 by 4 plus 5 by 12. So 1 by 4 plus 5 by 12. Equalizing the denominator, we'll have to multiply by 3 to equalize the denominator. So we'll get 3 over 12 plus 5 by 12. Now we will have to just add this one because denominators are equal. So numerators we can just add. So this will be 8 over 12, which can be simplified as 2 by 3. So our answer will be 2 by 3. Question number 14, find the integers which satisfy the inequality. So we have to solve this side. For example, I will solve this side first. So minus 5 is less than 2 and minus 1. This implies minus 1 we can send to this side. Minus 5 plus 1 is less than 2n. It means n is greater than, this will be minus 4 over 2. So n is greater than minus 2. And if we solve this other side, which is this one, so 2n minus 1 is less than equal to 5. It means 2n is less than equal to 5 plus 1. So n is less than equal to 6 by 2, which is 3. So n is less than equal to 3. So in between minus 2 and 3, if we check the number line, this is 0. So minus 1, minus 2 is this one. 1 is this, 2 is this, 3 is this, 1, 2, 3. So minus 2 is not included, it's only minus. So these will be the number minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. So because 3 is included because this is n is less than equal to also. So our answer will be minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Question number 15. Write as a single fraction in its simplest form. So we can take, basically we can take LCM of this, and LCM will be xy, and this will be cancelled. So x plus 1 multiplied by y minus this into this will be x into y minus 1. Now we will have to just simplify this. We can open brackets. So after opening brackets, what we will get, this will be xy plus y and minus xy and plus x divided by xy. These two will be cancelled and numerator will reduce to x plus y over xy. So this will be our answer, x plus y over xy. Here are question number 16. Here are first 4 terms of the sequence. First 4 terms are given. Find the next term. So if we check the difference, 23 minus 17 will be, this will be minus 6 and minus 6. Basically this is the difference. So further minus 6 will be minus 1. So next term will be minus 1. Find the nth term. So difference is minus 6. So we can write minus 6n and plus, if we check this one for the first term n is equal to 1, we will get minus 6 plus 29. Now if we will be checking for 1, 2, 3, 4, n is equal to 4 will be minus 24 plus 29 will be 5. So this formula is working. We can write here as, one second, I'll move the page, this one. So we can write minus 6n plus 29 as answer. Question number 17. The diagram shows part of a regular polygon. The exterior angle is given x square, interior angle is given 29x. So work out the number of sides of this polygon. So we can write, like for example, see this one, 29x plus x is adding up to 180 degree. So we can write 29x plus x is equal to 180 degree. It means what? 30x is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 by 30, which is equal to 6 degrees. So x value is 6 degrees. So exterior angle is, this one is 6 degrees. So now we know that number of sides is equal to 360 divided by the exterior angle, which is 6. So now this will be 60. So sides will be 60. This is how we can first find the exterior angle, then divide 360 by the exterior angle, we'll get the number of sides. Question number 18. Y is equal to x by 2 and 2x minus y is equal to 1. Simultaneous equation we have to solve. So this one we can rearrange, we can write this equation, or what we can do, we can substitute. That will be easier. So y value will substitute in second one. So instead of elimination, we'll be doing substitution method. So we'll be replacing y by this one. So it will be x by 2 is equal to 1. So what we have done, we have replaced value from equation 1 and we have replaced in equation 2, and we got this one. So we can say equation 2 implies this one. So now we can multiply this one by 2. So we'll get 4x minus x is equal to 2. It means 3x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 by 3. 2 over 3 will be the value of x, and this x value we can write as an answer. And if x is equal to 2 by 3, y is equal to, so y is equal to x over 2, and we can replace this value. So it will be 2 by 3 over 2, or we can write 2 over 3 into 2. 2 will be cancelled with 2, so this will be equal to 1 by 3. So answer will be 1 by 3. Now question number 19. Make x as subject from of the formula. So y is equal to x square plus 1 root. Now we can take square on both sides. This will be y square is equal to x square plus 1. Now we can shift x to the other side. So x square will be equal to y square minus 1. Now we can take root. X is equal to root of y square minus 1. So this will be plus minus because we are taking root. So our answer will be plus minus root of y square minus 1. This will be our answer. Now question number 20. The speed time graph. The diagram shows a speed time graph. Calculate the total distance traveled. Distance in a speed time graph, is area under the graph. So we have this one, 1, 2 and 3 shapes. We will find the area of all 3 shapes. So area of total area will be equal to area of first this triangle, this one, and triangle area is equal to 1 by 2 into base, which is 3, into height, which is 12, so we can write this one. This will be area of this plus area of this rectangle. 10 minus 3 will be 7, so this side is 7 and this side is 12. So 12 multiplied by 7, this will be area of this rectangle. And third area is area of this triangle, which is base is 5 and this side is 12. So plus 1 by 2 into base into height, this will be area of the third shape. Now we can just simplify and add. This will be 18 plus this one will be 84 plus this will be 30. So we can add up these things, and this will be 18 plus 84 plus 30. This will be adding up to 132. So we can write here 132. Answer will be 132. Now question number 21. 21 is saying, this is vector question. O is the origin and K is the point on AB. This is the point. And AK ratio KB is 2:1. So this is 2, this is 1. This is the ratio given. So it means it's splitting into 3 portions. So this will be 2/3 and this will be 1/3. So find the position vector of K. Give your answer in terms of A and B in the simplest form. So we will be position a vector. For position vector of K, what we can do, we can draw this from origin. We can draw a line, for example, from here up to K will be this one, and this will be the position vector, which is OK. Now we can write OK will be equal to OA plus AK, this one. So this will be, we can write OA is what? First we have to find basically OA is A. This one we can write A, and plus AK is required. To find AK, we don't have AB basically. First we have to find AB. To find AB will be what? AB will be minus A plus B. So we can write AB is equal to minus A plus B. And this is 2/3 of AB. We can write AK is equal to 2/3 of AB, which is equal to 2/3 of minus A plus B. Now this value we can replace over here, and we will write 2/3 of minus A plus B. And this will then we will open this bracket, and when we will open this bracket, we will get A plus basically this will be minus, because inside there is minus, so minus 2/3A and plus 2/3B. And when we calculate this 1 minus 2/3, so 1 minus 2/3 will be equal to 1/3. So we can write, so we can write 1/3A plus 2/3B. This will be our final answer, and final answer we can copy here, 1/3A plus 2/3B. This will be the final answer. Now hopefully you are getting everything. Now this will be question number 22, circle theorem. This question, circle is given ABCD are points on the circle center. OBCE is a straight line. Angle AOC is equal to 108, and angle DCE is 60 degree. This one is 60 degree. This is 108. Calculate the value of WXY. To calculate angle of WXY, so what we can do, X will be, we can calculate X, Y, Z. Basically X, Y and W is required. This angle is required. So see, this angle is 108 and this angle will be half of 108. Half of 108 will be 54. So this angle is 54. So we write W as 54 degrees. Hopefully you are understanding this. No working required because 1 mark for each. Now this is like cyclic quadrilateral A, B, C and D. So opposite angles must add up to 180 degrees. So x will be 180 minus 54. So this will be 180 minus 54 and 180 minus 54 will be equal to 126. So x value will be 126 degrees. Now remaining is y. So this is 180. So this is 160. This angle will be 120. So if this angle is 120, opposite angle will be 60 because quadrilateral, cyclic quadrilateral opposite angles are adding up to 180. So this will be 60 degree. Hopefully you got this as well. Now question number 23. This is a sector provided. This side is 6. So this side is also 6 centimeters. Angle is given 30. Diagram shows a sector of a circle, center O and radius 6. The sector angle is 30 degree. The area of the shaded segment is this one, where K and C are the integers. Find the value of K and the value of C. We have to get answer in this format and then we will check the value of K and C. So area of a sector, we know area of a sector is equal to, theta over 360 into pi r square. So theta over 360 into pi r squared, and r we know is 6, theta is 30, so 30 over 360 into pi, and r square will be 6 square. This will be our answer. If we check, for example, this will be 30 over 360 multiplied by pi into 6 squared. So this will be adding up to 3 pi. So this will be 3 pi answer for area of this sector. But they are saying that find the area of shaded segment is this. Shaded segment is basically this portion is shaded. I will highlight this. So this is shaded portion which we have to calculate. Now the complete sector is 3 pi. We will be finding area of this triangle, and area of triangle, which is white portion, area of triangle will be equal to 1 by 2 into AB sine C. So half AB sine C, AB sine C, we can use this formula, and we will write 1 by 2 into 6 into sine of 30 degree. This will be the formula which we will be applying, and we can write this one as 36 divided by 2 will be 18. So 18 sine of 30 degree. This will be equal to 9. So area of this one will be 9. So we'll be writing this shaded area will be what? Shaded area will be equal to total area is 3 pi. So 3 pi minus 9. This. If you check this format, this is k pi minus c. So k is equal to 3 and c is equal to 9. K is equal to 3 and c is equal to 9. Hopefully you understood this question as well. Now question number 24. Solve the equations 7 minus 3n is equal to 11n plus 2. So this is again algebraic equation. We will have to like terms we will have to add. So we'll be sending this to other side. So this will be 11n plus 3n will be equal to 7 minus 2. This will be 14. N is equal to 5. So n is equal to 5 by 14. So 5 by 14 will be our answer. For the B part, p minus 3 over 5 is equal to 3, cross multiply. So p minus 3 is equal to 15. Send 3 to the side. So p is equal to 15 plus 3, which is equal to 18. So our answer will be 18. Now question number 25, factorize completely. your algebra should be sound. IGCSE is having like 30% paper from algebra portion, so better to focus on algebra more. So factorize completely. To factorize this one, we can write x square minus this 132, we can make pairs minus 12x and plus 11x minus 132. We can make these two pairs. X common from first one, so it will be x minus 12 plus 11 we can take, so x minus 12, this will be the pair. So x plus 11 and x minus 12, this will be our answer. X plus 11 and x minus 12. Then this one, x cube minus 4x, we can take x as common, so it will be x square minus 4. And further we can do one thing, we can write this one as x square minus 2 square. So the formula will be like a square minus b square will be equal to a plus b into a minus b. So this formula we will be applying over here, and we will get x into x plus 2 and x minus 2. So our answer will be x into x plus 2 into x minus 2. This will be our answer. Now the question number 26 is 3D diagram. The diagram shows, which is not to scale. The diagram shows a prism of length 4 centimeters. The cross section is a right angle triangle. So cross section is a right angle triangle. BC is equal to 3 centimeters and CQ, this side, is equal to centimeters. Calculate the angle between the line AQ and the base ABCD. So this is the base. Now the angle, you will have to understand angle we require between this part and this one. So basically you will have to consider this angle. This angle is required. You will have to consider this triangle which I am shading. Hopefully you are getting everything, and you must have subscribed the Maths TV, but just I'm reminding, if you are not done, then just subscribe Maths TV and like the video as well. If you want the intimation for the incoming videos, better to press bell icon also, and introduce this channel to your friends and respected teachers. Okay, now this is basically the shaded triangle for which we need this angle, but to check this angle we don't have this AC side. So first we will be looking for AC side, and this is also right angle triangle, so we can apply Pythagoras theorem on this ABC triangle, and which is having a side AC. So AC side we will calculate first. So AC will be equal to 4 square plus 3 square under root. This will be basically this side. And now we will apply trigonometry on this shaded triangle. So QC over AC. So tan theta will be equal to QC over AC. And QC we know is 2 centimeters. So 2 divided by AC is this one, which is 4 square plus 3 square. This will be tan theta. So theta will be equal to tan inverse of 2 over 4 square plus 3 square root, and we can check tan inverse of 2 over root of 4 square plus 3 squared, and bracket close. This will be equal to 21.80. So this is equal to 21.80. So we can write answer as 21.8 over the given place, which is this one. So 21.8 is the given answer. Then 27, the last question, simplify this one. 81. Now what we can do, 81 we can write as 3 raised to 4, so whole raised to 3 by 4. This 4 is hint for you, so we will be cancelling this. So 3 raised to 3 will be equal to 27. So our answer will be 27. Then this one x raised to the power 2 by 3, and division this one x raised to the power minus 4 by 3, so minus 4 by 3. Now we can write x raised to the power 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3, which is equal to x raised to the power 6 by 3, which is equal to x raised to the power 2. So answer will be x squared. Now C part, which is we can write 8 as 2 raised to the power 3 whole raised to the power minus 1 by 3, and over y raised to the power 6 whole raised to the power minus 1 by 3. So this 3 will be cancelled with this, and this 3 will be cancelled with this, and we will get 2 here. So this will be x raised to the power minus 1 over y raised to the power minus 2. Now what we can do, we can switch them, and we can write this as, basically there is no x. From where we got x? This is 2 basically. So 2 raised to the power minus 1. Now we will switch them because their powers are negative, so powers will be positive, and we'll switch them. So y square over 2, y square over 2 will be our answer. We are done with the paper. Hopefully you got everything. So subscribe Maths TV, like the video, press bell icon. Also introduce this channel to your friends and fellow students. Also introduce this channel to your respected teachers. Thank you very much for watching Maths TV.